If you're one of the many who live in a noisy area, you know how annoying noise pollution can be. But you're probably thinking, it won't kill you, right? Well, don't be so sure. A report by the World Health Organization reveals the serious health costs of noise pollution. And yes, the reality is, noise can be fatal.
When we first moved in, we were expecting a sound wall along the road, like the rest of the M5. But unfortunately, that wasn't the case. So we had continuous noise. Waking up the kids. Just not sleeping well. Health effects as well. Very tired and run down from not a good night's sleep. Nagging, constant noise, do you know what I mean?
We moved into Maroubra 8 years ago, and the traffic noise was really loud. And initially when we first moved in, my daughter had quite a bit of trouble sleeping because it was so noisy. If one car goes past in the middle of the night even, it's really loud because, you know, our house is quite close to the street front, I suppose, so, yeah.
Traffic noise is the second biggest environmental threat to human health, the first being air pollution. But while air pollution is decreasing, noise pollution is sharply increasing.
We live in Rushcutters Bay, 5 minutes, 10 minutes into the city. We love it, we're a little enclave here. However, the traffic in Sydney got worse and worse. You'd hear the trucks putting on their brakes coming down the hill. It was sort of non-stop. And it got to the point where at night time it was, really hard to go to sleep. You wake up pretty tired. With the high elevated blood pressure, I would have ended up with sleep apnea, which we all know is no good for you.
The human ear never rests. Background noises of traffic, aircraft, or music from a neighbour are still being processed as you sleep. And your body is reacting to them via the nerves that travel to all parts of the body and the hormones released by the brain. Even if you don't wake up, continual noise sets off the body's acute stress response, which raises blood pressure and heart rate, potentially mobilizing a state of hyperarousal. It's this response that can lead to a host of health problems, including stress, communication difficulties, poor concentration, stroke, heart attack, and cognitive impairment.
It was a very stressful situation, moving into a brand new home and having noise constantly that we never expected. It's going to be the new baby's bedroom. So this is going to be a nursery, so...
But if we want to protect our children and reduce our chances of succumbing to heart attack and stroke, if we live in a noisy area, we must take action. A local Sydney company has taken technology tried and tested around the world and adapted it to the needs of Australian homes.
In Europe, I would say almost all windows are double glazed. Even old windows, which is 100 years old, they've been double glazed. They try to improve their life, to make it better. So we decided we can do something better to highest European standards. We made them here in Australia to change something for people, for us, for Australia, for a generation.
It's like the highway's not even there. The kids are sleeping better, so it's fantastic.
And then when you close it, silence.
The reason why it became so important and urgent to change something now is growing population. You cannot stop noise. You cannot stop truck, train, aircraft landing next to you. It's impossible. If you look inside the windows, you will see a lot of chambers. Our one has 5, and each of those chambers designed especially to stop the noise and heat loss.
Since putting in the double glazing, I've also noticed that the cold doesn't come in as much, and the heat also retains outside. So it's actually worked in a number of ways.
Double glazed windows can reduce your energy loss, so basically heat traveling through the window, up to 75%. Your power bill will go down.
It pays itself off straight away, honestly. It's definitely worth the money.
We're really happy with the windows, they're fantastic. Not only do they look good, we've sort of got the tilt and turn ones, so you can tilt it open and we can leave it open all day. So if they're locked, they only do the tilt, so that's good for the kids' safety, so they can't climb out, but if you unlock it, you can open it all the way. So these just slide open. And when you close it,
Australian sun is the highest UV in the world. We needed to make windows which was suitable for Australia and they would last long.
The difference between our product and products made in China is its quality, special profiles, suitable for Australian conditions. The reason why it's so important for me to manufacture our product in Australia is we can maintain high standards, we can deliver our products very fast, and we can create some jobs.
It's the only solution, and it's the best product. It's amazing.
We are so confident in our product, so we give 10 years warranty for it. And if something goes wrong, we are always here to help.
I definitely think if you're thinking you need to have double glazing, I would say just do it, because it's the best thing you'll do.
If you're thinking about cost of double glazing, first thing you need to think about how much you will save, what positive effect will it give to you in terms of your health, of your safety, of your environment.
they're by far the best decision we made.
If you'd like to protect your family from the harmful effects of noise and also reduce your energy bill while increasing the value of your home, then your next step is to book a time to speak with Alex and Serge from Prestige Plus. They'll give you a no-obligation quote so you can live with the peace of mind that you deserve.